Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a broken flex cable. First, carefully assess the damage to your flex cable. Look closely for any visible tears, sharp creases, or discolored, burnt areas. Understanding the extent of the damage is crucial for deciding if a repair is feasible or if you'll need to replace the component entirely. A thorough initial inspection saves time and effort later on, guiding your next steps in the repair process. Before starting any repair, setting up your workspace is key. You'll need a fine-tip soldering iron, some flux, and possibly a magnifying glass for precision work. Make sure your area is clean, well-lit, and free from static electricity to protect delicate components. Having all your tools and any replacement parts, like a new flex cable or conductive ink, ready at hand will make the repair process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's get to the repair. Begin by gently cleaning the damaged section with isopropyl alcohol to remove any debris or residue. For small breaks in the conductive traces, you can use a specialized conductive ink pen or carefully solder a very fine wire to bridge the gap. If connections are detached, apply a tiny amount of flux and carefully resolder them, using minimal heat to avoid further damage to the delicate cable. After the repair, it's crucial to test the flex cable before fully reassembling your device. Connect it and check if all functions are restored as expected. Once confirmed, carefully reassemble the device, making sure the flex cable is properly seated and not pinched. Take your time during reassembly to prevent new damage. A final operational check will ensure your repair was successful and the device works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.